I'm going to use the square beads to cube beads to make something different here. Jessica Jerry's need a total, yeah. So we use the tiger eye crystal, the cube shape. Let's going to use this one to make something else. Yeah, this one we can make it on the bangle as well. But here we are going to try to something different. Yeah, let's going to just have a try. I will make it by the gold copper wire, 1 millimeter, 18 gauge. Yeah. Here. Put wire straight. I was plan to have a try design. Yeah. I cut it in 18-inch. Jessica need a total. Jessica need a total. Okay. So here, just a test. We are going to try to use these beads if it can be make something nice. So I'm use this wire to fold here. This I left about 5 centimeter maybe. Let me test. 4 centimeter, about 4 centimeter left. Want to have another chart. Yes, I have baby will be give birth at November. Yeah, here. 这个折痕不好看。Here, just tight. Here, yeah. Then we are fold. Yes, yes, Mila. Okay. Then here I was thinking to wrap her one more time. Here. This way. We're going to fold. Yeah, thank you. Maybe you're missing my life. Yeah, before we talked about it here. And again, we're going to wrap her here. Yes. So here I'm going to fold and we are wrap her. So it's like a radium fold. When you see I wrap it on this side, the wire, I always put it on the left and the right side of the middle wire. And we fold it. Okay. Yeah. So it's going to try. Yeah. This one seems this bead a little smaller. Here. Then we're also going to fold it, this wire, and wrap wrap here first at one side of the middle wire, then on another side you just come this side, so you are cover the beads at the middle side. So here it come, always keep the wire string, the beads at the middle, then one wire left, one wire right. You can see it clear, one left, one right, and one left, one right, one left, one right on the side. So that's keep the beads at the middle. Then you're going to fold it. Try to fold the beads at the wire at the beads middle. Okay, then next one here. Then we are going to fold it here. So fold the wire, make the square shape nice. Here, one side first, and wrap it to another side. Also keep the wire one left, one right. Okay. Okay, yes, and then we are going to fold again. Fold the wire here, the beads, next one here, the same, fold. Fold it and wrap. Wire size is 1 millimeter. Use the 1 millimeter wire here. Next one, yeah. Yes, we can use the different. You can use the round beads. Here, I feel the cube beads is nice, so I make it to the cube, and it come a bracelet. Yeah. Here, we fold. So just need to always keep the beads one wire left, one wire right. Okay, if you want to make the facet tiger eye bead, yes, it's cube shaped tiger eye beads. Yeah, this one. And if you want to make this to a necklace, it also work. You just bend the shape and it can be to a necklace. Necklace or bracelet both work. Here, if to a necklace, it's hang on here. And this one, we are make it to a bracelet, so we bend it to the shape here, straight. Okay. Then the last step is make it yellow gold isn't even my favorite, and I loved it. Yeah, so try it here. This color is the 18K gold color. We make it this way. Then I'm going to use this one to fold the piece of this loop shape. Okay. Make the shape here round. Here round. Then it's a half bracelet. Can you share tutorial video for this design? Yes, I will post the tutorial for this design, no problem, in my page. Yes. Then an adjustable bracelet here. We will use an adjustable chain. Not 10, is 7 millimeter. You see, size 7 millimeter, the cube shape. Here is an adjustable bracelet here. You can try by the round beads. Round beads also work. Round beads, you can bend it as well. Just use the same idea. This one will make it easy. Just use an adjustable bracelet chain. If you want to attach with something else, you can try. Yeah, it's easy for the bracelet making. Here. So it's a bracelet like this. Here. This one. Simple, and you can use the different color of the beads to make it. Yeah, match with the silver wire, silver bracelet. So any is work, and it's easy to wrap it. It's not must be wrap it very regular. Just a medium wrap till it's nice, and make to. If you want to make a longer, you cut. Here I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 beads. Take me the wire 18-inch. 18-inch wrap 6 beads. If you want more beads, you calculate to cut more wire. Yeah, rainbow color. Yes. How much the beads? Let me check. Beads price.